All right, today we're talking about the quadratic formula. Here it is right here. And I know it looks a little complicated, but let me tell you, like I always say, how do you eat an elephant? One bite at a time. That's right, just put some barbecue sauce on it. Tastes like chicken, I'm trying to tell you. All right, let's get it. All right, the key thing is we have to understand what is A, B, and C. A is this first term, the one in front of the x squared. B is this middle term, the one in front of x. And what do you think this term right here is? That's right, it's C. All right, let's go ahead and plug into the quadratic formula. So we have x equals negative, what is B? 10 plus or minus the square root of, what is B? 10 squared minus 4 times A, what is A? 3, what is C? Negative 25, and that's all underneath the square root. Over 2 times A, what is A? 3. All right, let's break it down. So we have x equals negative 10 plus or minus. What is 10 squared? 100 minus. What is negative 4 times 3? Negative 12. What is negative 12 times negative 25? Positive 300. A negative and a negative gives us a positive 300 over 2 times 3, which is 6. Okay, here we go. So we have x equals negative 10 plus or minus. If I have $100 and I add $300, I now have $400. All right, 400, but that's under the square root over 6. Let's go ahead and go up here. So we have x equals negative 10 plus or minus. What is the square root of 400, or what times what gives us 400? 20, good. 20 over 6. Now we see that plus or minus, so that means we have two possible answers. So let's do them here. So we have x equals negative 10 plus 20 over 6. So negative 10 plus 20 is positive 10 over 6. Divide both of those by 2 and you get 5 over 3. So that's one of our answers right there. Got it? All right, and here's our other one. So x equals negative 10 minus 20 over 6. So what is negative 10 minus 20? Negative 30 over 6. And negative 30 divided by 6 is negative 5. So our two answers are 5 over 3 and or negative 5. Those are our x values, our x-intercepts, our solutions, our roots, all of those things. Did you catch it? I hope you did. If not, don't worry. You can always rewind. Thank you for flying Algebros Airlines. We'll catch you next time.